If you are still manually creating ads in 2025, you are already falling behind. AI ad generators aren't just experimental tools anymore. They are outperforming traditional creatives while slashing production costs to a fraction of what brands still pay freelancers or influencers or digital marketing agencies. In fact, 63% of major brands are already using AI in their ad strategies. So let's be real. This isn't just a trend anymore. With the right AI tools, you can test new creatives instantly, tweak them on the fly, and stay fully in control. No delays, no bottlenecks, no waiting on anyone else. And best of all, you'll save thousands of dollars and hundreds of work hours in the process. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through step by step how to use SodaMarketing AI to create high converting AI powered ads, all without burning your budget. Plus, I will share with you a few hidden tricks inside SodaMarketing AI that will instantly make your ads stunning and convert way better. If you want to follow along, you will find the link to SodaMarketing AI right below in the description. So let's jump in. Once you logged into your account at SodaMarketing.ai, the first thing you need to do is just click on Create New. Here you can find that we can create ad sets and creatives and on-brand designed ads, which stands for static ads. The ad set is the place where it combines all the types of creative that you can generate with SodaMarketing AI in one place. So this is the one that we are going to use. So we'll keep the selection on the ad set, which is already the default selection. Now here you will find the brands, and the brands I mean the brand that you have created to your account, in which you can manage and keep creating ads for them without the need to keep adding the logo and the information about the brand and the color identity every time. So to show you how you can create a brand, it's very simple. Just click on Create Brand, and here you have two options. The first is just to add the website URL of the brand you want to create, or you can select the option to do this manually and add your brand information manually. For the sake of this tutorial, I will just use Amazon as the brand here. Just click Import, and as we can see, SodaMarketing AI just fetched the brand information, the brand name, and the brand description, and the country, and the logo, and most important, the color identity of the brand. And of course, all these information are editable. So for example, if this is not the logo that you would like to use for this brand, you can simply remove it and add the logo that you would like to use. Same things apply for all the informations here, including the color identity, of course. Now click on Create Brand, and now the next step is to add a product or a service for this brand. And by that I mean this is a product or the service that you are going to create this ad set for it. So let's see how we can do this. It's very simple. I will just click on Add Product, and I have brought this random product from Amazon, so I will use this product to be the sample for this demo. So I will just copy the name right here and paste it here, and then select this option, and then just upload some of the product images. Just drag the images right here, and here we go. Now click on Train Product Model. Now SodaMarketing AI. So now what's going on is that SodaMarketing AI is learning about the product. So it saved the information and it searched the web for more information about this product, and we do this only once, and after it's done, we can create unlimited ads and creative for this particular product or service. The same thing apply for services without the need to repeat these steps anymore. And here we go. We have the product now saved and trained at SodaMarketing AI. So by this, you are building your assets at SodaMarketing AI. So now I will simply click on Create Ad Set. And here we'll find these options. The first option is on-brand design ads, which stands for the static ads. And the second option is the photo shoots, which is the photo shoots that you can generate for your product. We will see this in action right now. Finally, the short videos, which is the video creatives and ads that you can create for this product. So now let's start with the photo shoots. I will select it, and here we have another four options. The first option is the quick, which a quick way to generate photo shoots fast. The prompting is where you can type whatever prompt you have in mind or you brought from ChatGPT, and you can just generate a photo shoot using this prompt with ease. The Reimagine, where we can copy or clone any winning ads that we have seen online and create a very similar ad to that ad for our product. And finally, the advanced, which is a mix of both. So those are the four options that we have here. Let's start with trying these quick options. Here you will find many of ideas that you can try. All of them are stunning and will bring you stunning trendy photo shoots for your product. Let's start by this one, for example. Then click Generate, and here we go. Now it is generating the photo shoot. So to save some time, I will select another size while it's generating, and generate another photo shoot with another idea, just like that, and so on. I can keep doing this. As you can see, I don't even have to type a prompt here. So let's change the size here and select another option. For example, let's try this one, and as you can see, we start having some photo shoots. Wow. And we can keep doing this all day and generate endless number of photo shoots for that product to use them as ads or social media posts, whatever you like. So we have another one here generated. Wow, I like it. And let's try something else here, and another one here. As you can see, another perfect photo shoot that we have just generated, a scroll stopping photo shoot for our product. And you got the idea. We can keep doing this all day long, and we can generate endless number of photo shoots. Now let's try another feature, the on-brand designed ads, which is standing for the static image ad. Here we select the content tone. We have these options right here, friendly and casual, professional, and so on. I will keep it here on friendly. And here we have the languages. We have many supported languages over here, so I will keep it here on English. And then we have the post size or the ad size. You can select between square, vertical, and horizontal. I will keep it here for on the square version. And here we have an optional where we can write something specific about this ad or this offer that you have. For example, let's see, like for example, let's type something like buy one and get one free as an example. And here you can describe the main visual of your ad. So I will give you a very nice trick here. You can keep this empty, and SodaMarketing AI will come up with an idea that suits your product, or you can type anything you have in mind, or you can do what I'm gonna do right now. I will go back here to photo shoots, back to the quick, and you can use some of the quick options here. So you can select any one of those that you think it will bring you a very good ad. For example, like this one, and just go to prompting, and by this you can copy the idea right here and then go back to the on-brand designed ads and just paste the idea in that box and click generate and just give it a minute. And here we go. We have another stunning ads. As you can see, those ads are very, very nice. We have here a text already created. We have the offer mentioned here, a call to action, everything, and the logo. And we have multiple variation and multiple colors, as you can see. Now, let's say that you like these ads, but you need more. I will simply click on generate more. And here we go. We have more ads generated. Many ads have been just generated. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. This saves like hundreds of hours or something like that. That's amazing. You look for this one. It's very, very perfect. And here is another mind-blowing feature. So suppose that you would like to make to any of these static ads that has been generated. It's very simple, and it's very unique feature here in SodaMarketing AI. So just click on the edit icon over here and pick the basic editor, and just like that you can edit your ad down to the layer level. As you can see, it's very simple, drag and drop, which is a very, very unique feature. By this, I can customize any ad and make it look exactly like what I'm looking to have. You got the idea. Perfect. Now let's go back to the ad set and try something amazing right here. Let's convert this image into a video ad. So I will click on the video icon right here and just type whatever you have in mind about the video you would like to generate, or you can use the AI suggested concept where SodaMarketing AI will come up with an idea that suits your product and that image that you selected. Also, you have here a quick options right here, and all of them are amazing. So right here I have something in mind, so let's try this. The model is presenting the product, then looking at the camera and say, for example, your beauty is here, something like that. And then click on next, enhance my prompt. So here we have the enhanced prompt right here, and now just click on generate to get our video. And here we go, we have the video generated here. Let's check it out.
Your beauty. Your beauty is here.
Wow, that's amazing. As you can see, the model presenting the product while saying your beauty is here. You got the idea. You can do whatever that you might think about it, and everything will just be perfect. No need to be a professional or know about prompts or or move between tools or any of these heavy stuffs. It's very, very simple. The same thing apply for the static image ads, that we can also convert them into videos with the exact same way. For example, if I selected this one and then generate, and here we go, we just got another video ad for our product. Amazing one. Awesome. That's very cool. Now let's check out the reimagine feature. Suppose that you find a winning ad for your competitor and you would like to have an ad that looks exactly like your competitor ad but have your product and your brand on it. So how you can do this? You can use the reimagine feature with ease. So let's try this. So I will use here Pinterest to find the reference ad to copy. So for example, I will type here skin care products. Let's try this one as an example, this one here. So I will simply save the image here and then simply go back to SodaMarketing AI, click the reimagine option and drag the reference image over here and just click generate. And here we go. We just got a very similar ad to the reference ad, but with our product in a matter of a minute. We didn't even have to write any prompt so far. I think that you got the idea. Give it a try now. You will find the link in the description. And if you got a value from this video, hit that like button to show some love. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more no fluff tutorials and high converting ad strategies every single week. And don't forget to tell me what is the feature you like the most in SodaMarketing AI and what are the features that you would like to have to see it available in SodaMarketing AI. And have a great day. This was Yasser Salim.